Hey, what is up, guys? Welcome back to another inspiring episode of Insights That Inspire. And today we have a very special and inspiring guest on the show. Her name is Narita. She is a personality development coach and she is the co-founder of Empower Training and Development. And she has created a unique concept called Haptitude, like, shaping happiness into your attitude. And she's someone who has impacted more than 5,000 students' lives so far. So today, in today's episode, we are going to deep down into her journey, her mindset, and the real reason behind the confidence, low in confidence, high in confidence, growth, and success, and much more. So, Narita, welcome to the episode. Welcome to the show. I'm super duper excited to get the learning, knowledge, experience from you, and I'm pretty sure this is going to be an amazing podcast. So, welcome to the podcast.
Thank you so much, Mohit. I'm really grateful to be here on your podcast to meet and greet your community and thankful for this opportunity. Looking forward for this amazing podcast and experience.
Great. So, Narita, this is my first question. As you are an assistant professor in commerce, right? Or are you still the professor?
Yes, I
Oh,
am.
great, great. All right. So, as you are a professor and now you are into personality development trainings also. So, like, was there any turning point in your life or a specific moment in your life which made you feel, okay, this is something you are meant to do? This is your purpose, true purpose of your life.
Okay. Uh, to be very honest, in our Indian society, if I believe that we always think about marks. We
Yeah.
always think about academics. And I was a bright student. That's why I am a professor right now, as you can see. And it's been a good decade long experience. And today I am an assistant professor in Gurugram University in the Department of Commerce. And as well as a new professional front has been opened as a personality development and a soft skill trainer in the same university and in different corporates. I believe that a student needs a holistic approach, Mohit. We are always focusing on report cards and not on the personality, or to be very precise, the skill building. It is still lacking. Though we are in the era of AI, but still 2 days back, we got the CBSE board results, and it was loud and clear that how these marks are still relevant in our country and how they impact a student's future. So, where I know or I have been attached to so many brilliant students in their academics, but they are struggling in their lives. They are struggling in their professional front. They do not know how to handle failure or pressures, or they do not know how to upgrade themselves. And even they do not understand how this successes need to be managed or sustained for a longer period of time. All these scenarios made me understand that a student does not require just a teacher, but they require a trainer also who can train their minds and bring that shift from just the teaching to transforming them each day. And today I have a more powerful purpose beyond teaching, and I am not sailing in two boats. uh, I am in a big cruise. That's why I'm balancing both the things in a perfect way, as I believe.
Yeah, and this is much needed. You know why? Because as you said, like even in today's world, especially in Indian society, like marks, 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 like it is a buzzword. You know,
Exactly.
if you get higher marks, you are intelligent. Otherwise, you are like kachra. You are nothing.
Hmm.
Isn't it? This is something like this in Indian society, right?
Exactly.
And
The
it need to be changed. Like marks is just not the end of the world, isn't it?
YouTube, other AI tools which have entered in the market in the last 2 years, they have actually proved the scenario. Post COVID, I know students who haven't completed their graduation and they are doing really well professionally with all the skills they have, whether it's technical skills also. And in the future, with the percentage we are
Thank
going,
you.
85% of the professionals will be hired for their skills only, whether they are soft skills or the technical skills they have. These academics are going to take just 10 to 20% of their participation in the total. So we need to bring that change in our society. We need to.
Yeah, absolutely true. And there is one more thing, like as this is the wrong mindset, like only marks will define the career, the success of a kid, a student, or of a teenager, which is a wrong mindset. I just wanted to understand. Parents have more wrong mindset when it comes to defining a career. यू नो अपने बच्चे का कैरियर अगर उनको डिफाइन करें दे आर सम मोर रॉन्ग माइंडसेट आल्सो व्हिच दे हैव दे थिंक दैट दे आर एब्सोल्युटली करेक्ट बट वो जनरेशन से ही माइंडसेट चला आ रहा है दे थिंक बिकॉज उनको ऐसे ट्रीट करा गया जो भी वो लाइफ में कर रहे हैं उसी की वजह से कर रहे हैं सो दे थिंक लाइक दिस इज द राइट थिंग ओनली सो व्हाट आर अदर रॉन्ग माइंडसेट आल्सो जस्ट लाइक दिस दे आर रॉन्ग बट दे थिंक दैट दे आर राइट
Yeah. The first and the foremost aspect is, like what you mentioned, Mohit, the lack of clarity. I believe that there is a lot of confusion even after doing MBAs or doing BTech, that engineering courses. Students feel lost after getting that degree, that marks.
या
They know the whole world. Today's generation, I don't know, this is Gen X or Gen Z, but they know everything around the world. They know what is happening in US. They know what an OTT platform is showcasing in this week. Everything, but they don't know about themselves. They don't know about their future, and even the parents also. They are into that fixed mindset and a fixed pattern of education, from school to college to even PhDs, doing that degree for good 2 decades or more, and then getting into a scenario where they feel blocked. They are not able to chase their dreams. So the
या
first aspect is lack of clarity. They need to have awareness. Second is confidence crisis. Today's generation is overconfident. And if I talk about millennials like us, we were underconfident. We always had everything in ourselves, but we were not patted by our elders or by our teachers. We were always demotivated that we need to do better, we need to do more, we need to have that thing, that spark. So, underconfidence and overconfidence both are not the right way. We need to regulate our confidence. Every day cannot be a bright, shining day. We can have dull days. We can expect to slow down. And we can have days where we need to shine bright. There can be our interview days. There can be any important event that is happening in our personal life also. So, making that part, and the most important aspect, which I feel that even after so many years, how to handle failure, how to handle pressure, listening, reading to these suicidal scenarios in our uh, times, it is panicking. It's not acceptable. Marks and degrees are not just the life. To be very honest, I don't remember my 12th grade marks. Do you remember? These
आई डू
students,
बट या दैट्स फाइन
they don't matter. That's what
But
I wanted to,
yeah,
yeah.
it
They
doesn't
don't.
matter because nowadays the game is completely of skill set.
Exactly. They don't
Mm.
matter. So after a couple of months or a year, they don't matter. We are into another zone. We are in some of colleges or some education, or even doing jobs after school immediately. We don't they don't matter to us, these marks. They don't have that meaning. And how much we are pressurized today after the results, after the failure, or after not getting up to the mark. So I had a word with the student where she scored more than 90% marks and she was not happy. That's a scenario that is being created by the parents, by the elders, or by the whole society. I Where I was celebrating her results and I congratulated her, but she was expecting more. Expecting, performing is something else, but accepting is most important, that whatever you are, whatever you have achieved, it is what you should be grateful for always.
Yeah. And you were talking about clarity, like which you said, which is mistake number one or step number one. You
Hmm.
were talking about clarity. I have seen this pattern also multiple times. Like students, they don't have any clarity.
Hmm.
Okay, and parents, they don't have any clarity also. They are just trying कि जो मार्केट में चल रहा है उसको कराते हैं. जैसे
Hmm.
अभी अब से लाइक अगर हम 2010 से लेके 2020 के बीच के टाइम की बात करें, सो आईआईटी, एनीट नीट, ये सब बहुत ज्यादा बजवर्ड्स थे. एंड हर कोई पेरेंट्स अपने बच्चे को कोटा भेज रहा है तैयारी करने के लिए कि आईआईटी में एडमिशन लो, आईआईटी में एडमिशन लो. हालांकि अब तो बहुत ज्यादा अवेयरनेस हो गई, लाइक इट इज नॉट द एंड ऑफ
Hmm.
द वर्ल्ड. एंड व्हाट वाज हैपनिंग, लाइक बच्चे वहां पर जा रहे थे, तैयारी कर रहे थे, बट दे वर नॉट एबल टू हैंडल दैट प्रेशर, दे वर नॉट एबल टू हैंडल दैट फेलियर्स ऑल्सो. दे आर सम लाइक, क्योंकि आईआईटी के लिए बहुत ज्यादा इंटेलिजेंट होना या फिर मतलब चाहिए वहां पर कि बच्चा बहुत ज्यादा अच्छा हो पढ़ने में, उसकी लर्निंग कैपेसिटी बहुत ज्यादा अच्छी हो. सो आई एम ट्राइंग टू आस्क यू दिस क्वेश्चन. जैसे आपने क्लैरिटी की बात की थी कि लाइक हाउ टू आइडेंटिफाई कि दिस कैरियर इज अ राइट फिट फॉर अ किड और नॉट. बिकॉज व्हाट आई सीन, लोग वहां पर जा रहे थे, तैयारी करने की कोशिश कर रहे थे, बट दे वर नॉट हैप्पी विद इन, एंड सम ऑफ देम इवन ट्राई टू एंड देयर लाइफ, which is the toughest phase for any particular parent.
Okay. Uh, See, we cannot bring change in one day.
Yeah.
It's a journey, it's a process. So to begin with, the first thing is the goals that are that are set by the parents or even the student on their own. First, they need to be set them by themselves. First and the foremost thing, because it's I who has transformed myself from a teacher to a trainer, or what you are doing as a profession in Mohit. But when somebody else takes your decision, then you feel overwhelmed. Sometimes you feel low confident or even self doubt yourself a lot.
Mm,
सबसे पहला स्टेप तो यही है कि जी सबसे पहले आप अपने डिसीजंस खुद लीजिए एट द एज ऑफ 18, rather at the age of 15 also. Students are mature enough to say yes or no, and even parents should respect their decisions. Secondly, they should be setting their goals that are targetable and achievable. The goals which are set by them, which are not achievable, are going to discourage them, they're going to demotivate them, and they will not be able to achieve the level they want to. Third, if I should mention, is that they should work upon their strengths, how to take their decisions. So, whatever the qualities, whatever the talent, whatever they believe in themselves, they should be working on it. Normally, in our economy, in our country, we work fixing our weaknesses. That's what I was told when I was a learner.
yeah.
कि जो सब्जेक्ट नहीं आता सबसे पहले उसको पढ़ो, उसको पास करो, उसको स्ट्रांग बनाओ. वो नहीं बन सकता स्ट्रांग. अगर किसी चीज का फोबिया या डर या जो भी वीक है, तो एक्सेप्ट योर वीकनेस, एक्सेप्ट योर चाइल्ड्स वीकनेस, and whatever they believe they have the strength, they should work, acknowledge it, appreciate it every day, sharpen it, and make the superpower. That can be very, and that can become their foundation. A student
Yeah.
who is good in mathematics need not to study chemistry, physics, if he or she is good in that. So they need to keep that focus in that way. Yeah, I hope I'm able to
Yeah. Yeah.
resolve your query
Yeah.
as much as possible. Yes.
Yeah. And Narita, as so far you have sent, like you have helped more than uh, you know 5,000 students. Like what are those common mistakes or common uh, wrong things which you have noticed, which is hampering their personal development, confidence, their self-worth, you know?
Yes. Uh, See, they there are no mistakes. That's what a trainer has to make them understand. It's
Okay.
always a learning or a lesson. Learning, makes you grow, lesson makes to understand what happened. So we need to detour that word mistake because every situation is giving them a learning or a lesson. First and the foremost thing. Second is when I believe that they there are many myths around them. First myth is that it's about this language which is called as I am a soft skill trainer and I will focus on that training part, that they believe that when I'm talking in English only, then they can impress or then they can build their personalities or impress the other person. ऐसा नहीं है. हमारे देश के प्रधानमंत्री श्री नरेंद्र मोदी जी G20 जैसे समिट या कहीं पे भी हमारी मातृभाषा हिंदी का प्रयोग करने में बिल्कुल नहीं हिचकिचाते, और वो बहुत ही मान सम्मान के साथ हमारी भाषा का प्रयोग करते हैं। और जहाँ पे जितने भी और लीडर्स या जो भी मिनिस्टर्स आए हुए हैं वो सब ट्रांसलेशंस के थ्रू अंडरस्टैंड करते हैं कि क्या वो भाषण में अपने समझाने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं। तो सबसे पहला मिथ तो ये है कि जी इंग्लिश पर्सनालिटी डेवलपमेंट का पार्ट नहीं है। एक भाषा एक साधन है बस। अगर आप जापान में जाएंगे तो वहाँ वो जापानी ही बोल रहे हैं, वो इंग्लिश नहीं बोल रहे। आई आई हैवंट गॉन टू दीज प्लेसेस, बट चाइना भी जाएंगे तो आपको उनकी ही भाषा आनी चाहिए, और वो बहुत ही गर्व के साथ अपनी भाषाओं को प्रयोग कर रहे हैं। तो मुझे ऐसे लगता है कि आपके चैनल से मैं हमारी भाषा को भी प्रमोट करना चाहूंगी कि दो आई एम अ ट्रेनर एंड आई एम ट्रेनिंग इन इंग्लिश एवरी डे, आई आई एम बूस्टिंग द मोटिवेशन, आई एम ट्राइंग माई बेस्ट टू सपोर्ट, बट ये अंत नहीं है, ये तो सिर्फ एक शुरुआत है। आप भाषा को ना इतना तवज्जो देते हुए अपनी और स्किल्स को इम्पोर्टेंस दीजिए। एंड सेकेंडली, इफ आई शुड आंसर दिस, दैट इट इज अ होल पैकेज। सिर्फ कॉन्फिडेंस नहीं है, एक पूरा पैकेज है मार्क्स के साथ साथ, एकेडमिक्स के साथ साथ, जिसके अंदर आपकी इमोशनल इंटेलिजेंस, आपकी लीडरशिप क्वालिटीज, आपकी असर्टिवनेस, आपकी क्रिटिकल थिंकिंग, आपकी कॉन्फिडेंस बिल्डिंग, सब कुछ सबका एक मिश्रण है। तभी हमें शायद बचपन से ही एक नहीं बहुत सारे सब्जेक्ट्स पढ़ाए जाते हैं ताकि हमें समझ में आए कि हमारा हमारा फोर्टे, हमारा किस सब्जेक्ट पे ज्यादा रोल, ज्यादा स्टैंड बन रहा है। तो ये मुझे ऐसे लगता है कि हम हमेशा एक ही चीज पे फोकस करते हैं, जो नहीं करना चाहिए। कि हमें एक पूरा एक प्लेटफॉर्म क्रिएट करना चाहिए जहाँ पे कंटिन्यूअस एक अपग्रेडेशन, एक एडिशंस होती रहे। तो जो अब बहुत सारे स्कूल्स और यूनिवर्सिटीज एनईपी, न्यू एजुकेशन पॉलिसी 2020 जो लागू हो चुकी है सब जगह, उसके अंडर वो बहुत सारे ऐसे चेंजेस कर रहे हैं जहाँ पे अब ये मिस्टेक्स काफी रिड्यूस भी हो रही हैं, और अपग्रेडेशंस भी हैं, अपलिफ्टमेंट्स भी हैं।
Yeah, 100%. And there is one and very important point you just said, like the personality development is just not all about speaking English. क्योंकि
हम्म।
हमारे इंडियन सोसाइटी में तो 80% लोगों का यही माइंडसेट है कि किसी ने इंग्लिश बोल दी तो समझ लो वो बहुत पढ़ा लिखा है।
एग्जैक्टली तो
और दिस इज
गुरुग्राम यूनिवर्सिटी में जहाँ मैं पढ़ाती हूँ वहाँ पे सब स्टूडेंट्स आसपास के ही आते हैं। सी नोबडी विल बी कमिंग फ्रॉम ऑल टुगेदर अ डिफरेंट स्टेट। तो वहाँ दे आर पीपल, दे आर वेरी ग्राउंडेड एंड दे आर वेरी पोलाइट टुवर्ड्स देयर लैंग्वेज। वहाँ कॉन्फिडेंस बूस्ट करना मेरे लिए एक और बड़ा चैलेंज हो जाता है, बिकॉज उनके दिमाग में ये मिथ परमानेंट है कि इंग्लिश आएगी मैम, आप इंग्लिश बोलना सिखा दो मैम बस। तो इंग्लिश बोलना नहीं सिखा सकती मैं कुछ सेशंस के थ्रू, जो एक पूरी लर्निंग है फॉर 12 years इन स्कूल। दैट इज इम्पॉसिबल फॉर अ ट्रेनर टू डू दैट फॉर अ लर्नर। बट यहाँ वहां पे मैं उनको यही बात समझाती हूँ कि आपको अपनी ब्लॉकेजेस हटानी है, आपको रिमूव करनी है अपनी हिंड्रेंसेस, अपनी नर्वसनेस, अपनी एंजाइटी। आपको बोलना है बस, जिस दिन आपने अपना बोलना, और घर में भी और प्रोफेशनली भी। बहुत सारे ऐसे बच्चे हैं जो अपने पेरेंट्स के आगे, अपने एल्डर्स के आगे भी अपनी बात नहीं रख पाते। दे आर सो हेजिटेंट, दे आर सो फियरफुल ऑफ देम। तो जेन्युइनली मैं तो ये सिनेरियो यहाँ पे बहुत, जबकि हमें तो बहुत प्राउडली अपनी हिंदी भाषा का प्रयोग करना चाहिए। और मुझे लगता है आएगा ये दिन। अब इतने सालों में हमें हमारे प्रधानमंत्री जी सिखा रहे हैं, आएगा और हम भी मिलके शायद ये चेंज करने की कोशिश जरूर करेंगे सब।
बिल्कुल. It is good to learn other languages, but it is just not the sign of like are you developed or not, isn't it? So
एग्जैक्टली.
similarly, like Narita, what are the definition for you कि किसी की personality अच्छी है या फिर what are the true signs of a personality development? Like how do you define it?
सी, पर्सनालिटी फॉर मी इज, इट्स नॉट जस्ट अ डेफिनेशन इफ आई शुड गिव यू अ मीनिंग, बिकॉज हर एक इंसान के पास अपना एक एक वर्जन होगा पर्सनालिटी का. सो पर्सनालिटी, आई विल डिवाइड दिस वर्ड पर्सन एंड क्वालिटी. So, with age, with education, with time, with maturity, with experience, all of them together will make me a person with the qualities. So, when I was a student or a learner, I had an age and I had some of these qualities. Moving on to a different age of profession, I have added on these qualities. And in relations also, when I was a daughter and today I am a daughter-in-law, the version is completely different. When I was a junior professional or I was a fresher, the qualities I had, the attitude I had, and the experience, everything made me a person. And today, after an experience of a decade or so, my personality is completely different. So, personality, if in one word I have to give you, is better version of me. I am improving myself, and 100%. Even you can experience this, that you must be. Today in the Delhi Times newspaper, I was reading one of the actresses. She also mentioned that after seeing her decade old movies, she feels that she has improved her acting skills. That's what personality is all about. When you are improving, you are creating a better version of yourself. That is personality. And keep on growing and developing that.
Yeah, I got it. And Narita, I've seen one pattern also in the society. Like even you might have felt the same. Ki, like there are some students who have good grades when they're in academics, college, and everything. But over the time, when it comes to getting the success, progress in their professional life, they are not able to match that. But on the other side, कुछ ऐसे भी लोग होते हैं जो बैक बेंचर होते हैं, बट दे आर डूइंग रियली अमेजिंग थिंग्स इन देयर लाइफ. मतलब उनके मार्क्स उनके बराबर नहीं आते थे, लेकिन अगर हम देखते हैं, दोनों को देखते हैं, एक पर्सन है जो मतलब लाइक दैट पर्सन इज नॉट डूइंग दैट मच ग्रेट जो उसका पोटेंशियल था जितना वो कर सकता था, एंड दूसरा पर्सन था जिसको लगता था कि इसमें कुछ भी पोटेंशियल है, कुछ नहीं कर पाएगा. नाउ ही इज डूइंग वंडर. सो व्हाई इट इज हैपनिंग, व्हाट इज द रूट कॉज बिहाइंड इट? लाइक ये स्टूडेंट की गलती होती है या पेरेंट्स की गलती होती है या दोनों की गलती होती है?
Uh, गलती तो नहीं बोल सकते, बट कुछ कुछ फ्रेजेस मैं इसमें दे सकती हूँ.
जी.
एक, ड्रीम विद द डायरेक्शन. बहुत लोगों के पास सपने हैं लेकिन डायरेक्शन नहीं है, वहां फेलियर आ जाता है. और बहुत सारे ऐसे हैं जहाँ ड्रीम्स भी हैं और डायरेक्शन भी है. कभी कभी ना आपको पाथ पता होता है एंड यू स्टार्ट मूविंग ऑन दैट. And once you achieve level one, then you understand that yes, this is what same goes for me as a trainer. When I started my first job, I was purely into teaching. That is subjective teaching of commerce department. And after a year, when I helped one of my student in her interview, in her joining, and today I proudly say that she has completed her almost 8 years in GD Goenka University, Sona, and she's an admission counselor. So after her experience, only I got to know that she had no dream, to be very honest, but she had a direction. मैम मुझे कुछ करना है, मैम मुझे कुछ बनना है. एंड शी स्टार्टेड. तो एंड आई वॉज देयर टू सपोर्ट देम, टू सपोर्ट हर. तो पहला, डायरेक्शन. फाइंड आउट योर पाथ. गूगल मैप्स आर गिविंग यू दैट पाथ to reach to your destination in the same way. डेस्टिनेशन पे तो आप बाद में पहुंचोगे, पहले अपना पाथ ढूंढो. दूसरा बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट एस्पेक्ट इज कंसिस्टेंसी. आज की जनरेशन कंसिस्टेंट नहीं है मोहित. अगर छोटा सा भी कुछ फेलियर या कुछ फुल स्टॉप या ब्लॉकेज आ जाती है ना, दे टेक अ यू टर्न, कुछ और कर लेते हैं, अबाउट टर्न. तो consistency is very important for a person to achieve what they want to achieve. वहां फिर मार्क्स भी बेटर नहीं करते, बस वो एक जुनून बोल लूं अगर मैं, वो मैटर करता है कि मुझे ये करना है. फिर वो चाहे हम स्पोर्ट्समैन ले लें, फिर वो चाहे हम लीडर्स ले लें, फिर वो हम चाहे बॉलीवुड एक्टर्स ले लें. लुक एट द वे दे हैव मेंटेन्ड देयर बॉडीज एंड देयर फिजिकल अपीयरेंस बीइंग 50 और 60 और मोर. दे आर सो इम्प्रेसिव till today. And that is consistency. Last but not the least is, just like we need to go to a doctor when we are ill, we need to have coaches. This is what I wanted to explain. For like you are a business coach, you are helping people to get revenue. I am a coach who's helping them to upgrade their personalities. A swimmer who wants to go to Olympics, they need a coach for swimming because they do not know what exactly is to be done. They do not know everything. We are there to guide them. So hiring a coach does not mean that they are weak or they are lesser. Hiring a coach is for their improvement, for getting better results.
Yeah. एंड इन इंडियन सोसाइटी अभी अभी तो पेरेंट्स का माइंडसेट ऐसा है कि टीचर्स आर द रियल टीचर्स, उन्हें कोचेस की
Hmm,
जरूरत ही नहीं है.
exactly.
बट द पॉइंट इज दैट दे नीड टू अंडरस्टैंड दिस पॉइंट ऑल्सो कि coaches nowadays are much more important than academic teachers. क्योंकि बिकॉज हैंडलिंग द फेलियर इज वन ऑफ द मोस्ट इम्पोर्टेंट थिंग. जैसे अभी हम बात कर रहे थे, इसमें एक और पॉइंट मैं ऐड करना चाहूंगा कि अभी हम बात कर रहे थे इस पॉइंट की, लाइक वाई अगर आफ्टर हैविंग सो मच गुड ग्रेड्स फिर भी उनसे जो लोअर ग्रेड्स वाले लड़के लड़के हैं वो बहुत अच्छा कर जा रहे हैं और वो नहीं रह पा रहे हैं. इसका एक रीजन भी है फियर ऑफ फेलियर और या फिर हैंडलिंग द फेलियर. क्योंकि जो बच्चे हैं वो बचपन से फेलियर को झेलते आ रहे हैं, सुनते आ रहे हैं. सो दे आर लाइक ठीक है, एक और बार फेल हो जाएंगे, सो व्हाट, ट्राई करते हैं,
Hmm.
करके देखते हैं. लेकिन जो दूसरी कैटेगरी के बाद बच्चे हैं जो अच्छे ग्रेड्स ही लाते रहते, उनको कहीं ना कहीं फियर ऑफ फेलियर भी का इशू भी हो जाता है कि अगर हम
Hmm.
फेल हो गए तो क्या होगा. क्योंकि उनको तो
Hmm.
आदत लगी हुई है कि सिर्फ अच्छा 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 चलना चाहिए लाइफ में. जहां पर भी
Hmm.
जैसे ही कुछ एक आध फेलियर आया, दे वुड बी लाइक नो, दिस इज नॉट फॉर मी, आई नॉट डू इट,
Hmm.
आई एम नॉट वर्थी ऑफ इट. सो दे विल स्टेप बैक. जैसे वो स्टेप
Exactly.
बैक करेंगे तो सक्सेस वहीं पर, उनकी जो पोटेंशियल है उनका वहीं पर अनलॉक होना बंद हो जाएगा, मतलब वहीं रुक जाएगा. आई थिंक दिस इज वन अनदर रीजन ऑल्सो, लाइक दे डोंट
Exactly.
नो
I
हाउ टू
agree.
हैंडल देयर इमोशंस, लाइक हाउ टू हैंडल देयर फेलियर. कभी लाइक दे आर इन स्ट्रेस और दे आर डीलिंग विद समथिंग, दे डोंट नो हाउ टू हैंडल इट. दूसरी साइड जो पर्सन है जो स्टार्टिंग से ही थोड़ा वीक रहा एकेडमिक्स में, उसने
Hmm.
सबकी बातें सुनी है, उसने झेला है उसको, तो उसको पता है कि उसको कैसे हैंडल करना है. इजंट इट?
Exactly. Exactly. It's a whole mindset. So there is a
हंड्रेड
language which
परसेंट
is called as neuro-linguistic programming. So it works on the mindset only. It works upon your thoughts and internal blockages also. How they can impact to your organs also, to your energy levels, to and this is a whole process. We can change the mindset also. We can tame it just like a pet. We can build them what they want to. बस वो कहते हैं ना, कच्चे मिट्टी के घड़े हैं. बस आप जिस तरीके से उसको शेप देना चाहते हो, जितना ब्यूटीफाई करना चाहते हो, उतना आप कर सकते हो. तो दैट फिलोसफी एक्चुअली वर्क्स.
हंड्रेड
एंड
परसेंट
इवन फेलियर्स, क्या आपको क्या लगता है कि जितने भी क्रिकेटर्स रहे हैं, स्पोर्ट्समैन रहे हैं, या लीडर्स रहे हैं, या मिनिस्टर्स रहे हैं, क्या उन्होंने फेलियर्स नहीं लिए? क्या हाँ, आपने और मैंने फेलियर्स नहीं लिए? एंडलेस फेलियर्स लिए हैं, लेकिन
हंड्रेड
स्टिल
परसेंट
वी आर कमिंग बैक, वी आर showing up the next day. Something new, something is better, something to hold upon. And yes, I can do that, I can do it.
या
वो
एंड वन
माइंडसेट
या या प्लीज.
वो माइंडसेट लाना बहुत जरूरी है. I am qualified. I have everything. We keep on saying these affirmations. We have people around us who are telling this. That everything I want is now with me. It's available, and even more. I have got this. I attract only positivity. So we need to have these practices on our daily lives to keep that mindset also.
Yeah. एंड
Hmm.
जैसे अभी आपने क्रिकेटर्स की बात की, तो मैं एक इंटरव्यू देख रहा था राहुल द्रविड़ का। एंड एक पर्सन ने पूछा लाइक हाउ टू मेंटेन दैट कंसिस्टेंसी इन ग्रोथ। कंसिस्टेंसी इन ग्रोथ इज समथिंग लाइक कि ठीक है, हम सिर्फ ऊपर ही चढ़ते चले जा रहे हैं। लाइक देयर इज ओनली ग्रोथ 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 विच इज हैपनिंग, बट ऐसा होता नहीं है रियल लाइफ में। देयर वुड बी
Hmm.
ग्रोथ, देयर वुड बी डिप ऑल्सो, देयर वुड बी ग्रोथ, देयर वुड बी डिप। उन्होंने बहुत अच्छा जवाब दिया। लाइक इट्स नॉट ऑलवेज अबाउट ग्रोथ, इट्स ऑल अबाउट पुटिंग योर 100%, डूइंग द वर्क, मेंटेनिंग द कंसिस्टेंसी, पुटिंग द वर्क विद राइट इंटेंशन। फेलियर्स आएंगे ही आएंगे। उन्होंने अपना
Hmm.
एग्जाम्पल बताया कि अब तक मैंने ऑलमोस्ट 400 पारियां खेली हैं, एंड 400 पारियों में से मैंने सिर्फ 25 टाइम्स, 25% टाइम्स, लाइक 50-60 पारियों में ही 50+ स्कोर बनाया है। इट मीन 70% टाइम मैं फेल ही हुआ हूँ। So if we have the right intention, we are doing whatever it takes to get the growth. If we are doing it, still we are getting and we are not getting the growth or result नहीं आ रहा है, keep doing it. One day it will give you the fruits.
Exactly.
So this is something. So Narita, like if someone is going through self-doubt, low in confidence, what are 2 or 3 steps that person can follow and can get the instant motivation, confidence, not instant, but if he follow and practice these practices for long run, 1 month, 2 month, 3 months, he can see the transformation or changes.
Okay. So the first one, again, I will repeat the same thing, that set your goals which are targetable and achievable. Do not set big goals. Mm, Add on some practices in your daily life which gives you some consistency. And you can see, obviously, you can keep the bigger goal in your list, but start with the smaller ones if you are beginning your journey. So, waking up early in the morning when you are planning. So, if you are getting up 7 in the evening every day, sorry, morning in AM every day, then start with 6:30. Then moving on to 5 a.m. or whatever your target is. Even if I push myself to getting up at 5 a.m., one day I can try to, second day, but then maybe third day I will pull back myself. So
Mm,
if I consistently wake up at 6:30 and then after a week I'll try to make it, it'll increase my capabilities. And these smaller milestones will bring about a bigger change in my whole personality, in my whole mindset. And one of the thing is pattern thinking. As I told you about NLP, there are patterns. We are focusing on these patterns. So, negative patterns are there, positive patterns are there. How we are constructive towards them. And as the number of overthinkers are increasing, we are always into that thing that इससे बुरा और क्या हो सकता है, इससे बुरा और क्या हो सकता है, इससे बुरा क्या हो सकता है, और हम उसी सोच में ही रह जाते हैं. It has to be a deliberate step to cut it out and getting into another zone of positive thinking where we will accept that daily basis पे कि कोई बात नहीं, in case ये वाली situation ऐसी आई है तो वो कंस्ट्रक्टिव पैटर्न थिंकिंग हमें चाहिए. उसके लिए आप मेडिटेशन को यूज कर सकते हैं, उसके लिए आप एफर्मेशंस को यूज कर सकते हैं, उसके लिए आप जर्नलिंग कर सकते हैं, बीइंग थैंकफुल for whatever you have, head to toe. Even if I start writing things about just my physical body, my appearance, from my hair to my feet, nails, I will take more than 1 hour to write down about the whole body, the whole systems that are working perfectly for me today. उतने में ही थैंक्स, उसके अलावा एंडलेस चीजें हैं जिनके लिए मैं थैंकफुल हो सकती हूँ. सो पैटर्न थिंकिंग इज मोर इम्पोर्टेंट व्हेन यू आर फीलिंग लो, व्हेन यू आर फीलिंग lesser about your own self. That's what I think. And building your confidence through taking inspiration from others. The third thing, we can always take inspirations from others, and it can be any person, it can be your parents, it can be your teacher. Inspiration always give us this mindset that if that person can do this, I can also do this. That can be a friend also. If they can achieve it, I can also achieve it. Rather than doing a competitiveness or comparing yourself with them, make them your inspiration and unlock your potential.
100%. So, Narita, I will ask you a few more questions, 2 to 3
Okay,
questions, and then we will end it. So, my first question
sure.
is, as you have created a very unique concept, which is haptitude.
Yes.
So, can you just tell me more about it? What exactly is it?
Yeah, I feel really great to share about this course, Aptitude, and I know nobody has uh, used this word also up till now, and I have delivered 2 rounds of these courses, and we are coming up with more rounds of these courses. So before I answer about Aptitude, I'll ask you a question, Mohit. Why are you doing this podcast?
Okay. It is something like I enjoy it.
Okay,
I enjoy building connection, doing
okay,
networking. If I can learn something from them, or
okay.
they can impact a lot of, like, it ultimately gives me happiness. Like, it feels like I'm doing something amazing.
Yes, something which makes you content and
Yeah,
happy.
yeah, 100%.
Everyone in this world who is getting up in the morning, they have a target, and the target is to achieve happiness. If we are getting promotion in our jobs, that is happiness. We are reducing weight in the gym, that gives us happiness. If we are able to build our business, that gives us happiness. So understanding confidence, failure, criticism, leadership, everything revolves around this own one word, that is happiness.
Yeah,
And this actually made me realize that this can be actually learned. And we are just running after one goal to the other for this one thing, that is happiness. And happiness can be cultivated, it can be created. That's what I have created in this course. And it can be sustained also. So, joy is a word which is a short term part of happiness. So, if I'm joyful because I am in this session with you. But what about the long term? What about the other part of my day? Will I not be happy? I want to create that attitude permanently, even if things are not going the way it should be in my life. How can I build that attitude? That is happiness plus attitude is haptitude. Creating an attitude, permanent attitude, where you feel content, where you feel surrendered also. It has a spiritual connection also. And where you believe that whatever you have done is the best you can do, and where you surrender yourself. So it is a 4 week long course which I have launched last year in 2025, where people understand their triggers, what actually block their happiness, their joy. Then there are many techniques which they understand. There is a 5H technique, there is a fill your bucket technique, and many other techniques which they are going to learn and sustain their inner equilibrium, their inner state in such a way that even if things are not going, there can be days where they will feel dull, they feel low. I'm not saying that, but they will knew that they can come back into their own zone. They can stabilize, they can neutralize themselves. They cannot, I know if something has happened which is contrary to their plans, they cannot dance, they cannot showcase that smile, but they will maintain their equilibrium. That's what they are going to learn in this course.
amazing. And Narita, like, what are the signs which a person, because you help students also, you help working professionals also, so what are the signs you they should notice within them, and that's where they should they should think about getting personality development coaching, working with a coach, mentorship, and move on and get a growth in their life.
Yeah, see, every working professional needs to add on these skills in their life for being a better person, for being able to achieve their goals. If I talk about the learners, either they are approaching for their fresh jobs, their career orientations, or they want to get into promotions, or they want to impress any person who is coming into their life. There are personal people who are coming to me for their personality development for their personal life as well. They want to impress the other person, they want to impress their partners maybe. So there are these working professionals who are coming in my connection, and they there are, if I have to give you four pillars of efficiency, self efficiency, the first one is mastering the experience, where we all have our past achievements and failures. So how have I added all the failures and the achievements into my dictionary? क्या मैं सिर्फ अपने फेलियर को ही याद कर करके उसी चीज में स्टक हूं, या मैं आगे बढ़ने की कोशिश कर रही हूँ, उसको मास्टर करने की कोशिश कर रही हूँ, उस एक्सपीरियंस को? दैट्स व्हाट आई टोल्ड यू कि मिस्टेक नहीं है, लेसन है. Second is vicarious experiences, where you are observing the whole mindset. So we today is the time of this experience. This generation is observing everyone around them. A kid, I have a nephew in my house. He's 4. He will not do what I will say or anyone else say to him. He will do what am I doing. If I'm working on the laptop, he will try to copy, sit with me and do tapping. So vicarious experiences, if I talk about, it's that what the other person is doing and how can I learn. So if a 4-year old is doing that copying thing, everyone from the YouTube channels to the Instagram influencers to the TED Talks, everyone is taking that experience from the other person. Even in the classrooms, these students, if somebody is trying to achieve something or they have achieved something, they have bagged an internship, it's going to impact 10 others that she is doing internship. Why am I sitting at home? Third is the social persuasion, the pressures which we talk. See, to a limit, this pressure is really good. It helps us to grow. It helps us to be stable. It helps us to have some well-wishers in our life who praise us also at the times. And for example, Hanumanji forgot all the powers he had,
Hmm.
and he had to flew that समुद्र and लंका में जाके उनको क्लियर करना था कि आगे लंका है नहीं है, जो भी उनका उनके उद्देश्य थे. तो वो वेल विशर्स ने, सोशल पर्सुएशन ही तो थी वो, जहाँ पे उनको जामवंत जी ने और बाकी सब ने मिलकर उनको पर्सुएट किया था कि आपके पास सारी शक्तियां हैं. तो जरूरी नहीं है कि सोसाइटी हमेशा एक नेगेटिव प्रेशर ही देगी, बट वो एक पॉजिटिव प्रेशर भी देगी. दे कैन पैट ऑन योर बैक, दे कैन सपोर्ट यू, दे कैन गाइड यू. सो वहाँ मुझे लगता है कि ये सारी एक एक मिक्सचर है जहाँ पे प्रोफेशनलिज्म ऐड ऑन करने के लिए मुझे पर्सनालिटी डेवलपमेंट और सॉफ्ट स्किल ट्रेनिंग करना बहुत ज़रूरी है.
Great. And Narita, like as you have impacted uh, a lot of lives, like more than 5,000 lives. So can you just share one case study or one story which you felt like magical, which
Yeah,
deeply touched your heart?
yes. There are many. To be very honest, there are many, and I still get so many messages every evening or night that I have done this, I've achieved this because of you. And this actually makes me very proud of what am I doing every day for these people. And one of the experience I would like to share, that when even I was not exactly a trainer, I started, I curated entrepreneurial development cell in my initial years of profession, and it was whole idea that students who don't want to go for jobs still they require a support. They require how to build their ideas, how to get the funding done, how to convert their ideas into practicality. So there was a subject under me in commerce only, that was entrepreneurship, and I curated this cell and we had a workshop. And just like you mentioned that the below average students can achieve things better than the one who had brilliant minds in their academics. So one of the group, actually they were three boys and they were very below average in terms of academics. Everyone had to participate. It was a compulsion for everyone. So they came up with the idea. They won that competition, and this actually gave one of them an idea that I don't want to go for jobs. I want to do something of my own. And today it's been more than, I guess, 5, 6 years that he's working for his own two firms, and one is providing silver products and other one is creating websites and doing the digital designing. And I proudly say that Empower has been very, very grateful for his presence. His name is Anshul, and he has supported us in every form. Like, see, my student, and today I am his student in terms of the digital world. He has created our website and supported us in many other ways where we had no technical sense to do the same. So I feel blessed to be his mentor and to have this journey with him.
Hmm. This is very incredible, transformation, I would say.
Exactly.
So, Narita, let's suppose if somebody is going through self-doubt, low in confidence, they wanna get in touch with you, or they think that you are obviously you're the perfect person for them to help. You can definitely help them. So, do you offer any clarity call, or if yes, then how they can contact you and book a clarity call with you?
Exactly. Yes, I am there on Instagram with the name Narita Art, and we have our official page of Empower, am_power, which states I am powerful. You can connect me there. And we have a website also, that is theempower.com. You can look into our courses, you can connect with us. And we are just one message away. They can connect with you to have a word with me. You have
Hmm.
my details else. And whenever they are in self doubt, I just want to give them a 3B model: breathe, belly, and brain. So, whenever there are storms, leaves, stems, everything can flow, but the trunk stays in the same way. So, in your daily routine, whenever you feel stressed, you feel self doubt, you feel low, it's for everyone who is listening to me on this platform in your community. Take out 10 minutes and just do breathe in and breathe out by closing your eyes. Think of the situations where you achieved something bigger, something better. Accept what is happening inside and outside around you. And then when you come back to your table, to your desk, to your file, I am sure you will be into a better position, not in exactly a changed person, but into a better position to answer that situation, to that self
Yeah,
doubt.
yeah, exactly.
Yeah.
All right, Narita. So, guys, if you're watching it till here and you wanna book a clarity call with Narita, you are in self-doubt, low in confidence, you wanna work on yourself, you wanna get the growth, you feel like you have the potential, something is holding you back, something is like ऐसा लग रहा है आपको you are trying to get out of it but आप नहीं निकल पा रहे हो, then definitely you need a coach who can help you, provide accountability, support you, guide you, and take you unlock your true potential and take you to the next level. Then definitely contact Narita. She is absolutely perfect person for you. She will help you, and she will make you the completely different person. So if you wanna contact her and book a clarity call, I will put the contact link, her Instagram link in the description of this video. Just click there, book a clarity call, and work on yourself. You have to seek for help, otherwise you wouldn't get the transformation. So at least book the clarity call and understand, now, like she can really help you or not. At least get the clarity, what you need to do, what not, because some people are not even aware that their limit, their potential is locked. They need to unlock it. They are not even aware about it. So book the call, contact her, and unlock the new doors of the success and growth in your life. So Narita, thank you so much for your time. It was really lovely talking to you. You have shared a lot of insights. Your case study, like जो आपने case study share किया, it was absolutely amazing, absolutely transformational, 360-degree transformation. I'm pretty sure जिन लोगों ने यहाँ तक इस एपिसोड को देखा है या देखेंगे, they are going to get a lot of knowledge from you. So once again, thank you so much. It was lovely talking to you. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Mohit, for bringing all these amazing insights on your platform. And I'm sure people are getting a lot of information, a support, a guide system through your podcasts. And yes, my found, uh, venture Empower is launching new courses every so and then. We are starting with intense communication skills in the month
Yeah.
of June. If in case you want to build your leadership skills, in case you want to add assertiveness, active listening, and change the whole personality you are in this year 2026, then you can join in for this course. And we have many other courses lined up in our website. Do connect with me, and we'll be really supportive, and we'll be really guiding you through this journey. And thank you so much, Mohit, for this opportunity. It was lovely to be here to find out the foundation, to find out the achievings, everything, and looking forward to stay connected with you and with your community as well. Take care.
100%.
Have a great day
Thank you.
ahead.
Thank you so much. You too.